I started a live trade today. I recorded myself trading the stock market today so I could explain to you guys a little bit more how my thinking process was. And here's a little clip of it. Okay, starting the day, I was trading SQQQ, which shorts the stock market. And as of today, March 19th, the stock market was all red all day today. It had a little bounce towards the end of the day, but this is the beginning of the day at 7:13 a.m. my standard time. Stock market time would have been New York time. It would have been like somewhere around 10:13. We're 3 hours behind. So I want to go ahead and purchase 25 shares, and this is my account right now. It's standing at $1,476 after my red day. Trading Ford previously the week of following, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and make that up. And I'm looking at through my news feed, and I'm looking at right here at UGAS, another ETF that follows the futures of oil. So they had a down day, a down 4%, which is an opportunity if it bounces. So that's just another stock that I was looking at. For the meanwhile, then I'm looking more through my news feed. Okay, stock price shares is going up 16.20 now. My average costing price is 16.10. So far I'm up 0.57%, which is not bad. And I didn't go with my full account. As you can see, only 25 shares, which is on my account. And this is TQQQ, which goes with the stock market, which it's a bullish ETF. So this is the opposite. This stock usually does the opposite of the stock I'm currently in, which is SQQQ. So I'm just looking at here, analyzing in a month what's the lowest it's gone, what's the highest it's gone, what is it at currently right now, what's my potential risk and profit. So potential profit would mean it would go down all the way to 130, which SQQ would go up. But I'm not planning on doing this for a swing trade, just doing the day trade. So now I go into Thinkorswim app, where I can visualize where I don't have a line graph, I have bar graphs. And looking at my news feed so far, where my alerts came up on. And by the way, while I was going through my stocks, I was also in the Discord chat listening to the Learn, Plan, and Profit group chat as they discussed their stocks that they're analyzing as well. But anyways, right here I'm looking at more of a detailed graph, so I could see $16 is a support for SQQQ, and that's where I plan to stop loss out. Actually, I put a stop loss at 15.98. So far throughout the day, it's up almost 4%. So I'm zooming in right now, and I can see the RSI, which tells me if it's oversold or overbought. But I don't necessarily go and invest in a stock just on one indicator. And I can see also the next support, which is 1612. As you can see, it's in the middle line of the VWAP. So what I went and go ahead and did was I put another purchased order at 1612. So if it ever went down to that support, I would get filled. Um, I'm investing more and more in the stock, as I can see that it has a consistently uptrend right now. So that's why I'm purchasing more now. Why wouldn't I just purchase more right now if it's in an uptrend? Well, because I'm trying to get in at a pullback. I'm trying to get in at a average out my price more of the best price I can get, basically. And throughout the day, I just analyze the the stock more with Thinkorswim, because, like I said, it's an app. It's on my phone that I can see it. Excuse me, more clearly. I can tell the highs and the lows of that minute. This is a 1 day, 1 minute chart right now that I'm looking at. So throughout the day, this is all I'm basically doing. And I also set alerts because I had to go to work, and I set alerts when it reaches above a certain level and when it reaches below a certain price. But throughout the day, it had consistently uptrended, and the rest of the video is basically just me watching it for a couple more minutes. It really doesn't do much. Let me fast forward it. Yep, still consistently at 1616. 1615, the lowest they hit. I didn't get filled at 1612. I'll pause that video there and I'll let you guys know what happened. So this is what happened when I was trading SQQQ. I had purchased more. I did end up getting actually more shares of it, and I sold. Let's look at it real quick. So it ended the day at 1655, but I ended up selling at 1646 with a limit order. Now I didn't sell all the way at its peak, which was 16. Actually, let's look at it. 1694. I was shy about 50 cents, but that's okay because I saw the opportunity with a different stock, and that's why you can see this more volatile drop right here. Huge drop. I was investing the money in a more volatile stock, which is why it went down -7%, and it recovered, finished the day out shy of 5%. So that's the update as of March 19, guys. We're still in the green. Overall, we're at 33.43% up. But I'm going to go ahead and add another $50 as of this middle of the month, which is my plan to add $100 every month. So $50 every 2 weeks, basically. Thanks for watching.